Welcome to the world of electric luxury. This is the BMW iX, a masterpiece born from innovation, precision, and a vision that reshapes the future. Today, we take you inside the soul of BMW's flagship electric machine. The journey begins with an ultra-lightweight aluminum and carbon fiber frame, giving the iX unmatched strength. Robotic arms then shape the stunning frozen Arctic gray metallic exterior with micrometer-level perfection. Inside, BMW's advanced e-drive technology comes to life. Dual electric motors, free of rare earth magnets, are installed for a smooth, silent, and efficient ride. The high-density battery pack is laser welded for safety and performance in any climate. The interior is a masterpiece of sustainable luxury, featuring recycled materials and elegant wood panels. After final assembly, the iX is perfected in wind tunnel and road tests, ensuring its aerodynamic grace and thrilling performance. This is the BMW iX, where electric power meets pure excellence. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.